Our Feel It workshop is our most popular workshop that is booked. We can run it in-house as part of a team training day. We can run it for parents, for professionals, for support workers, for siblings. It is a workshop that is aimed at everyone and anyone. On the workshop, I teach you all about the importance of our senses for our own learning and development. I talk to you about 8 sensory systems. That's our sense of sight, hearing, smell, taste, touch, as well as our sense of body awareness, our sense of movement, and our internal sense that tells us when we're hungry and tired and thirsty and how fast our heart is beating. Once we understand stages of developmental procedures for these sensory systems, that then helps us to understand characteristics relating to sensory processing difficulties. I teach you the skills to be able to become a sensory detective and learn how you can apply this to everyone and anyone that you support who has sensory processing difficulties. On our Feel It workshop, I also bring along some of my immersive learning environments which help you to gain a unique insight into how people with SVD have described and explained their sensory differences to feel like. I'll be bringing along Being Ben, Lola's World and Mediosmia to all of our Feel It workshops. And to finish off our Feel It workshop, I show you strategies and ideas to help support children and adults with specific sensory needs. I show you how you can make things as well as how you can support sensory needs very affordably.